Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update confusion matrix evaluation for imbalanced classification. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to update the confusion matrix evaluation for imbalanced classification. Understanding the confusion matrix is critical for evaluating model performance. First, ensure you have your dataset prepared and your model trained. Load your data and split it into training and testing sets. Next, use the trained model to make predictions on the test set. Now, import the necessary libraries for confusion matrix visualization. Use libraries like scikit-learn for calculating the confusion matrix. Generate the confusion matrix using your model predictions. To visualize the confusion matrix, use a heat map for better clarity. Adjust the normalization parameter to interpret the results effectively. When working with imbalanced data, focus on precision, recall, and F1 score. Calculate these metrics using the confusion matrix values. Make sure to evaluate the true positives, true negatives, and false negatives accurately. For imbalanced datasets, consider using other evaluation metrics like AUCROC. Visualize the receiver operating characteristic curve to further assess model performance. Interpreting these metrics will help you make informed decisions about model improvements. Consider techniques like oversampling, undersampling, or synthetic data generation. This will assist in achieving a more balanced dataset for better model training. Finally, continuously iterate on your model by testing different thresholds for classification. This will ensure you optimize performance across all classes effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.